Hey everybody, we're taking a look at question number 6. It says an online bookstore charges $2 to ship any book. Cole graphs the relationship that gives the total cost Y in dollars to buy and ship a book that costs X dollars. Which ordered pair is a point on the graph of the relationship? All right, so anytime you see these types of word problems, I'm always going to recommend you do one of those double T tables. We always put the X over here on the left and we always put the Y over here on the right. Now, I always think it's a good idea to go back in the word problem and figure out what are the labels. So if we take a look at the labels here, they mention total cost, right? Total cost for Y. So I'm just going to throw that label right here. And they mention a book costing so many dollars. So let's put that here. All right, now if we think about hypothetical amounts that books could cost, that would be easy for us to calculate. A book could cost $1, a book could cost $2, a book could cost $3. But let's look at what they suggest. The X that they suggest are 4, 5, 6, and 9. So how about we put those in the X column? 4, 5, 6, and 9. So again, to help you understand where did these numbers come from, these are the proposed X values that come from the answer choices. All right, so let's say we buy a book that costs $4. It's going to be $2 to ship the book. We have to pay for the book, and then we have to pay for the shipping of the book. So doesn't that mean that we would have to add $2 to the price of the book? So the price of the book is X to get Y. All right, so now let's substitute in some values to see which Y value is correct. So, because here's our function right here. So let's go ahead and do the add to down the page here. Add to, add to, add to. And let's substitute in this. So we'll substitute in a 4, substitute in a 5, substitute in the 6, substitute in the 9. All right, so the next step for you, and I'll use choice D as our first example here. If we look at this and add 2 to that, 9 plus 2 would be 11. They're suggesting an 18. So we know that this is not an answer choice because for this function, if you bought a book that was $9 and you had to pay $2 to ship it, then the total cost would be $11, not $18. So the only thing left you have to do now that you know that choice D is not a choice, go through the remaining choices and see which one, when you look at the Y value, which one matches the Y value and pick the one that way. All right, good luck finishing this up.